What if I told you that one of the biggest secrets to stronger knees that don't creak, crack, or collapse, knees that help you walk freely again, has nothing to do with injections, expensive pills, or painful exercises? What if the real key starts in the morning? Yes, the morning, before your day even begins. Before your knees have taken a single step, climbed a single stair, or carried a single load. Most seniors don't realize this, but the very first thing you give your body in the morning determines how your joints behave for the rest of the day. You see, after the age of 60, the joints, especially the knees, lose a special fluid called synovial fluid. This fluid is like oil in an engine. It keeps everything moving smoothly without grinding or pain. But when your body stays many hours without hydration or nourishment, as it does overnight, the joints wake up dry, stiff, and unprotected. That's why morning stiffness is the worst. That's why the first step of the day often hurts the most. But what if you could reverse that? What if you could give your knees the perfect joint lubricating, inflammation-reducing, tissue-repairing fuel, right when your body needs it? That's where the idea of the Morning Joint Revival drink comes in. A simple drink, one glass, one routine, done every morning for 7 to 21 days. And it begins to change everything. Now, before we talk about the drink itself, I want you to understand the real reason so many seniors lose knee strength and why so many feel helpless. It's not age, it's not bad genes, it's not calcium loss, it's not even arthritis alone. The real problem is inflammation, plus weak cartilage, plus poor fluid production. These three factors quietly break down the knees year after year. But the good news? All three can be supported naturally, and that's why this morning drink works. Imagine this: you wake up, your knees feel heavy, stiff, maybe even painful. Instead of forcing your body to move dry joints, you sit down and prepare a warm drink with 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon honey, optionally, a squeeze of lemon. This combination does something very powerful. The warm water hydrates the synovial fluid. Chia seeds release omega-3 and gel fiber that cushion joints. Turmeric reduces morning inflammation. Black pepper activates turmeric's healing compound. Honey calms the stomach and boosts absorption. And lemon, if you use it, helps reduce stiffness. As this warm drink moves through your body, it wakes up your joints gently. It reduces inflammation from the night. It activates lubrication. It sends nutrients to your cartilage. And most importantly, it gives your knees the protection they need for the entire day. Now imagine doing this every single morning. A routine, simple enough for anyone, powerful enough to revive joint strength. Just picture yourself 3 weeks from now. You step out of bed, and the pain isn't as sharp. You walk to the kitchen, and your knees feel looser. You go for a short walk and feel confident again. This is not a miracle. This is not magic. This is your body finally receiving what it has been begging for. And here's something even more surprising. This drink works even better when paired with movement, but not heavy exercise. Just 2 to 3 minutes of knee activation after drinking it. For example, sitting leg extensions, gentle knee circles, slow marches in place. These movements spread the fresh joint fluid throughout your knees. That's how cars work. They need oil, but they also need movement for the oil to circulate. So drink first, then move gently. Then watch how your knees respond day by day. If you build this habit, your knees won't just feel better. They'll become stronger. They'll support you when walking. They'll protect you from falls. They'll help you stay independent. And that is the true goal, not perfect knees, but a life where your knees don't hold you back. So starting tomorrow morning, try it. One simple drink, one simple routine, one simple promise to yourself. Your knees will thank you.